Young woman tied up and robbed in Maypen, Clarendon.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Viewers, the three young women who were seen on a widely circulated video being tied up and robbed were victims of a store robbery in Maypen, Clarendon in mid-March. Reports are that the three workers were inside the store about 6:15 p.m. on the 16th of March, cleaning up and checking off daily sales, when two men came to the door posing as customers. The men were reportedly asked several times to remove their masks for security purposes. However, they refused, and one of the men brandished a handgun and demanded cash and other valuables. The women were then led to a storage area where they were tied up and robbed of their personal cell phone, cash, over 20 other cell phones, a laptop, and tablets. The police are currently investigating.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!